What's up guys, my name is Serge. Welcome back to the channel. As always, go ahead, like, comment down below where you're from, who you are, and smash that subscribe button for me. Just do it guys, just do it. Today I'm gonna talk about marketing your business. Being a small business owner, it's really hard getting noticed or getting people to really trust your business or to really trust what you're doing. So what do? First thing you want to do is get yourself on Google. What are you guys doing? Just get on Google, create yourself a Google business page and get verified by Google. This process usually takes a couple days. They go ahead, once you get on there, it's called My Google Business, and you get on there, you sign up. You'll need an address to get your business verified on Google. So just get your address on there and it will mail you a postcard with some extra instructions. It usually takes a couple days, and once it's in, once you get that card and you put in the rest of the info, you then get verified by Google, and then you become a part of Google's business page. Google is the biggest platform right now. Everyone uses Google for literally everything, from finding something to asking a question to whatever. It is literally the biggest platform. So getting on Google will get you a lot of exposure. But once you get your business verified on Google, that is not it, guys. You have to stay consistent. You'll want to make sure that you stay consistent with making postings on Google, putting pictures up, staying engaged, keeping your consumers engaged in your business, what's going on daily, and that consistency will show Google that you're actually legit and that you're an actual business that people can actually go to. So make sure that you guys stay consistent with it. Post pictures, make it like a blog in a sense, and start posting on there consistently. And so that will allow Google to get you into their algorithm and start getting you ranked even higher than your competitors or whoever it is that is in your industry. Search engine optimization is key when it comes to getting your business ranked first on Google. And the way you do that is by constantly getting, like I said, staying consistent with upgrading or staying consistent with uploading and making sure that you stay engaged with your consumers and whoever it is that is looking for your business. The more people that can eventually search and find your business, the more engagement that you're going to get, and that's going to increase your search engine optimization. Facebook business page is the next thing you'll want to create your business to allow your business to get more exposure. A lot of people are using Facebook a lot nowadays, and Facebook is allowing you to create an awesome business page for yourself with a lot of things and details regarding your business. So go ahead and get that Facebook's business page started. Another nice thing about Facebook is that there are a lot of specific groups for your niche. So there's a lot of members on there. There's a lot of people that are involved in your industry on these specific group pages that you can always share any of your postings from your business page onto these group pages, and will allow you to get even more exposure. So make sure that you guys start joining these groups that are in your niche, and this will allow people that are in your industry to know who you are, what your business is. So make sure that you guys are doing this, staying consistent with your postings, getting your search engine optimization up, making sure that you're staying engaged with your consumers, with your customers. Get an email list going, do all that, send reminders out, and guys, keep on doing it. Thank you guys. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to just continue helping you guys and continuing giving you guys more insight on just business, my life, and everything else. So guys, thank you. I appreciate all you 41 subscribers right now. You guys blew me away. I was not expecting the amount of subscribers this past week, but help grow this, guys, help grow this family, this channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. God bless. Bye.